Previously.
De hand van de vrouw, geschapen om te worden getooid.
More than 2000 years of culture.
Dat was de goede oude tijd, hè?
Our cultural heritage is a gigantic legacy.
Want precies was het weer vroeger beter dan dat nu is.
Although more and more we seem to be losing touch with our past.
The number you have dialed has been changed.
Our arts and our culture don't have a clear presence on the internet.
Straks ziet u Ronnie de Rammelare die dus over de skans zal springen.
And yet there are vast treasures.
Ronnie de Rammelare met dit exploot.
Hidden in the Flemish archives. Archipel is trying to preserve our history in a sustainable way in order to keep it alive. These days, we are all linked digitally. We all look for information on the internet and communicate via emails. Facebook and Twitter link millions of people together. Your identity, who you are, increasingly depends on how you move in the digital world.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
It is no longer simply cogito ergo sum. It is also online ergo sum. Those who do not exist online do not exist at all. The Flemish culture and heritage sector is well aware of this and is therefore digitizing our archives and collections. The general public, however, does not find those digital records easily online. This is a hindrance for a society like ours. The digital train has left the station and every cultural institute or heritage organization has to climb aboard en route. But how do we tackle this in a structural and sustainable way? Should every institution be able to set its own priorities? In other words, how do we construct a rail network upon which very diverse digital trains can ride, each with their own destination, speed and passengers? A sustainable rail network that will still be punctual even within 50 years. Archipel is a scientific research project. Over the last 2 years it has researched how we could digitally preserve our heritage, art and culture in the long run. It also researched how we could make the resulting sustainable digital memory accessible to everyone via the internet. It quickly became apparent that one network and one coordinating archiving platform are the keys. We carefully looked at all the potential technical, legal and organizational problems and developed a working model of such a network. In the future, you could be able to consult the archives of even the smallest organization at home on your laptop. Why one network? Because we discovered that everyone in the cultural, arts and heritage sector is confronted with the same 3 challenges. Are we digitizing our audiovisual heritage in a sustainable manner? Are we protecting it in a long term against an increasingly faster technological evolution? Secondly, how could we avoid searching for a needle in a haystack? Do users find the digital objects easily when they need them? Do they find the right items? This is definitely important if we want one large coordinating platform. The third question is, how could we enrich a digital collection with information from other archives or institutions? Could such a large archiving platform create interesting links and hereby make every archive socially relevant? After 2 years of research, the Flemish Cultural and Heritage World proposes a model that could make all of this possible one day. The model suggests the best software, a legal answer to copyright problems and a handy manual. In short, a model that will enable even the smallest cultural institute or heritage organization to make their knowledge available online someday, each in their own way and within their own possibilities. Would you like to know more? View the other clips for concrete examples. Archipel is trying to preserve our history in a sustainable way in order to keep it alive.